Enjoy the taste and aroma of coffee from fresh beans and milk with the new Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go. Create 5 delicious coffees, such as a velvety cappuccino or latte macchiato, at your fingertips. With the surprisingly intuitive touchscreen, easily adjust the aroma, strength and length of any coffee you brew with My Coffee Choice. The Latte Go milk system tops your latte macchiato with silky smooth milk froth. With only 2 parts and no tubes, our innovative Latte Go milk system is the fastest to clean milk system ever. Always brewed from fresh beans, our durable ceramic grinders ensure you can enjoy up to 20,000 cups of the finest coffee, revealing the perfect coffee temperature, aroma and crema thanks to the Aroma Extract system. And with the AquaClean filter, you will not have to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups. Philips 3200 Latte Go. Minimize the fuss, maximize the moment.
With sleek Italian design, a patented frothing system, and a built-in professional quality grinder, the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi is an incredible combination of style and performance. It all starts with the beans. The integrated conical burr grinder gives you the freshest taste possible, since what you grind is what you brew. Choose the settings you want, then brew instantly for exquisite crema and unsurpassable flavor. The quality stainless steel piped double boiler means there's no wait between espresso and steam. And the unique frothing system includes a special chamber that mixes steam and milk to create rich, creamy drinks every time. There's an instant reheat function, so you're always ready to brew. Adjustable spouts to fit your cup of choice. An automatic shutoff for safety, plus an automatic indicator light to let you know when it's time to decalcify the machine. And the patented compact brewing system is easily removable for convenient cleaning. It's so easy to use. All you really have to do is sit back and enjoy the performance, convenience, and exquisite flavor of the Magnifica Super Automatic Espresso machine from DeLonghi.
The first time I saw Seiko's Pico Baristo, I was immediately drawn to the Italian craftsmanship coming to life through the timeless design and build quality. And I can assure you, I'm very picky when it comes to my coffee and how it's made. The machine can make 11 exquisite recipes, including the trendy cafe crema, cappuccino, ristretto, flat white, and many more. And remarkably, I can control everything with the tip of a finger via the intuitive interface with backlit buttons. I like to explore, experiment, to find my perfect coffee. Choose the exact temperature, the strength I like, very strong for me, and the exact amount of milk. Today I want it milky with a thick foam on top. A consistent and fine grind is the essential starting point for a perfect coffee. Seiko developed their patented 100% ceramic grinders to extract maximum flavor. I can choose from 10 grinder settings, from the finest grind for a full-bodied espresso to the coarsest for a lighter coffee. I love an espresso after dinner. But my girlfriend, she prefers a softer way to start the evening. And with Seiko's one-touch milk carafe, it's very easy to make a cappuccino or a latte macchiato. I remember the days when I was cleaning my coffee machine and it felt like I was performing surgery on it. Those days are over. The Carafe Quick Clean function removes all traces of milk from the carafe's milk circuit after every use. The cleaning is made easy with the removable brewing group that can be quickly rinsed under the tap. Seiko's latest innovation, the AquaClean filter. It enables me to enjoy pure coffee perfection for up to 5,000 cups without having to descale my machine. And when my coffee cravings are satisfied, Pico Baristo knows that it's time to switch itself off. Pico Baristo One-Touch Milk Carafe is a treat for my eyes and my palate.